Hey guys, welcome to another video. Guys, today video I'm going to be putting my wig on. I'm going to install my wig using only the one and only GOT2BE glue spray. Yes, and I found this method really easy to do. It doesn't last for a long time, but hey, when you don't have too much time on your hand, if you have this GOT2BE glue, you can always install your wig because it's not gonna take too much time, y'all. So I have my spray and I have my wig cap. You guys can already see it. I'm not doing a bald cap method because, like I say, I do not have too much time, y'all. I'm going to be putting some castor oil on my scalp, and I'm going to put this. Is this straight wig? I've installed it before, but I have not installed it just using the GOT2BE glued spray. So today we're going to try it. It's a little bit raggedy, if you know what I mean. I have to brush it, but don't mind my brush is broken, y'all. But I'm going to brush it out. I'm going to spray a little bit of water on it just to make it less dry, and I will install it for you guys so you guys can see how it's going to look. So yes, right. So let me put my castor oil, and this is pure castor oil that I'm using. Castor oil. You know, my cornrows is bad now. I have to redo my braids. I'll do it this week. So I just want to keep this scalp moisture, you know. On your wig cap. I don't want it to touch my hair, so I think this one is good. I'm gonna spray this wig spray just so it can be easy to comb. So it has like, it does not have like, you know, those wig band. It doesn't have it, but it has like combs here. So you have two comb and another comb just right over here. And I washed this wig, so I remember I put on a foundation on the wig, so the foundation is not there anymore. So to make it kind of blend with my scalp, I'm going to be putting some foundation here and show you guys how I'm going to put the foundation. It's really easy. So I just flip this wig like this, leaving this part here, and I'm gonna have my foundation. I just do, oops, okay, it came out a lot. It came out a lot. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I put it on my palm here. Foundation, I'm just going to do like that, and I'm just going to brush it like that. And don't worry if you touch the hair, you can always remove it with water, so nothing to be scared of. And the reason why I put it on my hand to do this is because I don't want it to go inside this, you know, the liquid, because you don't want to put the liquid here. So you can see the difference. So I have it over here. And now what we're gonna do, like I said, this install is really easy install. I'm just going to close this like this because I don't have a wig band. Do like that. And I kind of secure the back. Just want to put it here so I can see how it's going to be. I'm just gonna adjust that. I just want to see where the wig falls on me. So it falls like this. So when I'm gonna put my wig spray, I'm gonna put it like here. And since my hair is like that, what I like to do, I'll just brush it back. And if you have some spray, you can always spray it, just so it can be easy to push back. And we're gonna do it section at a time. So like that. I'm gonna start with my spray now. I also have like a little towel that I like to wet. I'll use it to clean like the glue residue when it falls on me, on my face. Just removing hair that on me. Alright, so now I'm going to put my wig spray. So like I say, we're just using this GOT2BE glued. GOT2BE glue spray. And it's really far away from my hair, which I like, because I don't want my hair to be stuck on that glue. Okay, so be careful when you're using it. You can spray it a little bit here. So good. So we're ready to go. So this one, I just go like that. Simple, easy. I use my hand, and that's what I have this thing here. Yeah, that's just what I do. So like that. I like to use at least, I'm gonna do half. So I use it here, and I'm gonna use this to blow dry it. Touch it. It's tiny bit tacky. I'm gonna go in with a second layer. Don't be scared. Guys, you can always wipe it down after. So you can always wipe it down after. I just wanna get don't put your makeup before. I'm gonna use the last layer. A little bit. I'm gonna put on this wig on. Just bring it here. And then you can just push it down. And don't worry, the places that is getting lifted, we can always fix it. So you just have to make sure you're holding it down. You're kind of pushing it down like this. No, push it down. Push it down. Push it down with your comb. And we're going to put some He's gonna clip it here. What you can do, you can take some spray, a little bit of spray. You can just spray it on your hand like that. And you take a little bit and you just put it in the area you want it. You know, just put it here. And you use the blow dryer. Problem solved on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this side here. So we stopped here, so I'm gonna do this side here. So this part is good. I'm just gonna comb it back. I'm just going to use some spray on top of the hair. Don't put it on your scalp, because if you put it on your scalp, it'll be water. And to remove this glue, this got2be spray, you can use water. When you put water, it comes right off. So I'm just going to put this thing here, this here. Okay. I kind of want it out of the way. Okay, so you guys can see there's some places here that they still have some left. So here is easy fix. Like I said, you just have to take the got2be spray. You can put it somewhere like this. So I have to just to spray it here on my hand. Take a little bit and just, you know, just put it here, put it there. I'll put it close to the lace, but not too close on my face, you know what I mean. No, you're just putting a little bit so this thing can just dry out. You can put it tiny underneath it as well. Putting it here. Okay. I'll do this one here, this side here. Put a little bit. No, just gonna put it here. Can put it right here too. Okay, now go in. If you want, you can also use alcohol, but just make sure you're not, you're not rubbing it on the lace, because we don't want that. I'm just going close to the lace, but not on the lace, to kind of like just remove the white residue. So this is how it's looking. So to kind of remove the white on this one, it's not the glue, it is the lace. To kind of make it a little bit see-through, what I like to do, I'll be using the concealer. I'll take the shade that's a little bit same skin tone as me, and for me, I usually like to use the contour one. So for that, I'm just gonna go in with with this brush, and I'm just going to go in, just mask it, and it just appear like you guys won't even see it. See, I'm just putting it here. And don't worry if it's touching your hair, because you can go in with water. We will go in with water on top of your hair, not on the scalp, and it's not gonna be too much water. So I'm just blending in, and you can barely see it. That's why I kind of use like the dark contour instead of using the foundation, because the foundation is kind of like lighter, you know what I mean? So I'll blend it. I'll blend that part here. Okay, so once that's blend, I'm gonna use this, but I don't use white one, and I'm just going to kind of clean my hair. It will still stick on the lace, but on the hair you can just remove it, and this is just how it look. Oh, this one almost okay. Don't worry about it lifting a bit, because I'm going to use this. This is not really a big issue. Let me just fix that. You want to do it like, you want to do this at the end, yeah. So once everything is glued in, you don't want to go back and forth, right? It blended perfectly with that. Over here it's fine. Over here it's fine. So what you can do, you can go ahead with your band and just leave it on while you're doing your makeup, and that's it. That's it. You guys already see how it's laying down. GOT2BE glue is not going anywhere. You see, it's not going anywhere. So to remove it, just use your water and it will be removed. But this is how it look, just using GOT2BE glue. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let me know if you guys will use just the GOT2BE glue spray. So thank you all for watching out, and see you next time. Peace.